In today's video, I'm going to teach you about TradingView drawing tools. These essential instruments not only prove invaluable when performing detailed technical analysis on supercharts, but also streamline the process, allowing you to allocate more energy to decision making. Understanding these tools will make your analysis more effective and efficient, so let's dive straight into it. The first tool at your disposal is the cursors. It's the most fundamental tool, providing the precision needed to hover over and select specific points on the chart. Using cursors effectively can significantly improve how you interact with charts on TradingView. Next, we have trend line tools. These are pivotal for identifying and tracking trends over time. Whether you are an amateur or a seasoned trader, using trend lines can help highlight key movements in asset price, essential for making informed trading decisions. Fibonacci and Gann tools are both crucial for technical analysis, particularly if you delve into the mathematical side of market trends. These tools allow you to forecast potential price levels based on historical data, providing insights into hidden levels of support and resistance. Moving on to patterns, these tools help you identify common price formations that might predict future price movements. Patterns are often used in conjunction with other indicators to reinforce trading strategies and enhance your ability to foresee market shifts. Forecasting and measurement tools serve as an effective way to project future price action and measure price channels. These tools are significant for planning entry and exit points in your trading strategy and for setting realistic profit targets. We then come to geometric shapes, which are broadly used to highlight specific areas of interest within your chart. Shapes can be used for annotating specific timeframes or price zones to keep your analysis structured and organized. Annotation tools allow you to add texts and labels to your charts, turning them from a basic analysis tool into a comprehensive trading diary. This is invaluable for documenting your thoughts and strategies, which can be revisited later as your analysis evolves. Icons also offer a simple way to mark key events, milestones, or conditions on a chart, making it visually simpler to track recurring patterns or significant occurrences. The measure tool helps you quickly calculate the value between two price points or periods of time. It's an essential feature for checking the performance or range in percentage terms without disturbing your analysis flow. Zoom in on your charts to scrutinize specific details more closely. This can be particularly helpful when precise timing is critical to your strategy. Magnets are there to help you snap lines precisely to candle highs, lows, or closes. Magnets can substantially increase the accuracy of your drawings. Keep drawing, lock all drawings, hide options, sync drawing options, and remove options are versatile features that help enhance the usability of your drawing tools suite. They ensure your workspace remains tidy and manageable, letting you focus solely on your analysis. Familiarizing yourself with these tools provides a robust foundation for technical analysis, offers clarity on complex data, and enables better decision-making. I hope this video has painted a clearer picture of how each tool functions and you feel more confident using them in your trading practice. Thank you for watching and happy trading.